So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add animations into text here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is open up Design Wizard. Then once you have it opened up, add some text into your document. So go to the left-hand side, press on text. I will just go ahead and press on add a heading, just like that. And then what I will do, because we want to add animations, how about I type in the word animation, just like that. I'll get rid of the three dots. Now what I will also do, and just so you guys can see it a little bit easier, I'll just make the text a little larger. Now, if you want to add animations to text, go to the top right here, press on animation, just like that. Now you can also just add the move animation, fade, tumble, baseline. So if you press on fade, you can do that at both on enter and exit. You can change the speed of it as well, and basically just play around with it. Do what you got to do. You can press on baseline just like that, and then there you go. You've now added animations to your text here in Design Wizard. So pretty straightforward. I hope this video helps.